Okay, guys, now we are going to plumb the drain pipes and the water pipes under the sink in the kitchen so that Rhonda will have access to them. So, wish me luck. Here we go. Okay, guys, I've been working on getting this bad boy installed all morning. And when you put a drop-in sink in, it's easy. But when you have an apron on it, it is not easy. You have to cut the whole front end of the counter completely out so that the apron will fit. And I was really dreading that because Jared and Jason did such a good job on this countertop. But I got it in. It's not perfect, but I'm not a professional. But I can hide most of my mistakes. Now, the next thing I've got to do, now that I have this farm sink in, is put this faucet on. Rhonda wanted a faucet that would match the rest of the gold in the house. So I'm going to be working on that. Bear with me. It's not an easy task, but it's got to be easier than putting that sink in. All right, let's see what happens. Well, there you have it. Sink installed, apron sink. It's got the faucet already here, and it's going to be cool when I get the water lines hooked up because red light comes on when it's hot, blue lights come on when the water's cold. I'll be looking forward to getting the water lines hooked up over here. We've got Rhonda wanted the gold drain to match the gold faucet, and that's what she got. Well, that's it for me right now. Stay tuned. I'll be hooking up the water next and finishing this backsplash behind the sink. Okay, I got the brick in all the way around to the stove. All right. Sinks in. And I framed out the window inside and out so you can kind of see. That's going to be so nice. That's our country kitchen. Tell me if you see that deer turning his head to follow you. Look at that. He's watching every place you walk. Totally turned his head toward you. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. I need to speak to Presley, please.
Hi.
Hello, Presley. How are you?
Yeah.
Are you ready for me to come visit you tonight?
Yeah.
Hold on a minute. Sit down, Rudolph. Be still. I'm trying to talk to Presley. So, what do you want for Christmas? I heard that your Lolly and Pops got you a pom-pom. Have you been riding it?
Yeah.
Yep. Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
Ho, ho, ho. I knew you would. That's a pretty nice unicorn, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
What else did you get?
I got a lot of stuff.
You still want me to come see you tonight, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ho, ho, ho. I thought you would. Now, if I remember right, you want a witch wand and a broom. Is that right?
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho. And a sonic doll?
Yeah.
And why do you like bath bombs so much?
Because they have toys in them.
Oh, what kind of toys do you get?
I like the necklaces, toys, because they go on their necklaces.
Well, it's a pretty tall order. Those bath bombs sometimes go off when I go through the rain going to houses, but I'll try to bring you some. Ho, 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 ho. Rudolph, get everyone together. Dancer, Prancer, Comet, and Blitzen, get them all lined up. We've got to get to her house immediately. Now you need to go to bed, young lady. I'll be there soon, okay? And don't forget, be good to Miss Lamb. She's a good teacher. She's got a lot of kids on the nice list, like Bentley. Bentley's on the nice list. And Addie and Ella, Ainsley. They're all on the nice list. Do you know any of them?
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho. Go to sleep, Presley. Santa's on his way. Merry Christmas!
That was good.
That was awesome.
How fun.
You know, Tom used to do that to Tristan when he was a baby.
I can
We
see
put
her
him up on the
face. I can
countertop.
see her face.